If you're looking to use AI writing tools to craft the perfect resume and cover letter, you've come to the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use AI writing tools to easily create standout documents that grab the attention of employers. First, let's talk about how AI can help streamline the process. Writing a resume or cover letter can be daunting, but AI writing tools take the guesswork out of it. With these tools, you can generate content that's not only grammatically correct, but also tailored to your skills and the job you're applying for. It's like having a personal assistant guiding you through the process. To get started, pick the right software. I've tested out several of the most popular options, and I'll be showing you the one I recommend today. This software helps you input your personal details, like your work experience and skills, and then generates professional, customized content that fits the job description you're targeting. Once you've got the software, start by filling in the basics: your name, contact info, and a summary of your professional experience. You can also add any specific details related to the job you're applying for. AI will analyze your input and create a draft for your resume or cover letter in minutes. Now, here's where the magic happens. AI doesn't just give you a generic template, it helps you tailor your content to match the specific job you want. It analyzes keywords from the job description, ensuring that your resume and cover letter align with the qualifications the employer is seeking. This makes your application more likely to stand out in a sea of other candidates. After the draft is generated, it's time to refine and personalize it. The beauty of using AI writing tools is that you can keep editing and tweaking the content until it feels right. You can adjust the tone, highlight specific accomplishments, or add keywords to ensure your documents resonate with both human recruiters and applicant tracking systems, ATS. If you want to follow along and get started with AI writing for resumes and cover letters, I've got a special offer for you. In the description below, you'll find an exclusive free trial for the software I recommend. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so be sure to take advantage of it. So, what's the key takeaway from this video? AI writing tools can dramatically simplify the process of creating personalized and professional resumes and cover letters. By inputting your details and using the software's customization features, you'll save time and ensure your documents are tailored to the job you're after. Don't forget, using AI can help you get noticed in the competitive job market. To recap, choose the right software, input your details, let the AI generate your resume or cover letter, and personalize it to stand out. Remember to grab the free trial in the description below if you want to try the software yourself. Good luck and happy job hunting.